The Crafter machine has become the best-selling SOUKUP window line. Crafter does tenons and profiles of window and door components. It is also suitable to produce glazing beads and astragal bars. Crafter is compact, ideal for small workshops. The setting of working units is fully electronic, and what makes the machine really efficient is the connection to WinCreator, the order management software. In WinCreator, we will prepare the production work list, or we can use third-party software data. Simply upload the file to the Crafter and start working. A clear management of parts for tenoning and profiling makes the process very fast. After tenoning and profiling of parts, we clamp the window sash and then we can make the stormproof profile. The other way how to produce windows even more efficient is the knockdown system. First, we tenon the parts and then we profile them on both sides. In the frame press, we clamp already finished components. The process saves 40% of the time over the traditional method. Crafter also works as a separate tenoning and profiling machine, especially for non-standard parts. In manual mode, we select the program, set the fence length, an angle, and produce. The production of windows in the UK has its specifics. One of them is a horn on a sliding sash. Crafter UK series is equipped with a horizontal shaft for this detail.